The game Lisa and I are playing with you guys today, we call it the rule of 51. My goal is to be in the high 90 percentile, but I'm living by the rule of 51. If we can move or touch or impact 51% of the people in this room, we did our job.
I definitely feel the need. I'm a people pleaser, and in my role, a decision I make, doesn't make the front desk happy. It doesn't make housekeeping happy, and so one team is always unhappy. And for me as a people pleaser, I have to, that's my desire, to make everyone happy, but I can't.
It's impossible.
So it's impossible, and that's where I'm conflicted.
In that conflict and your desire to make everybody happy, but the reality is you cannot. What's a good mental mindset for you to shift to?
Ultimately, I always shift to what's best for the team and what's best for the business and what's best for everyone in the group.
I like all of what he said. The only thing I would add to his game is seek to hit the majority.
Huge.
It's an excellent reset, even if you're not a dancer. You don't have to be a good dancer for what we did, do you not really?
We were talking about the fun, but then there's a time where you have to switch that, because they're like, oh, Dave's the joking, have fun guy.
Right.
But then when things turn and you can't be that person, it kind of...
Or especially in leadership.
Yeah,
especially in leadership.
Take it more seriously because they see that other side of you, and they don't see that Dave's smiling. But then when you get down to business, if something happened or discipline or something, they see the other side and they're like, oh, okay, he's serious.
Exactly. So let's give him that one and one. Nice.
I took this a little bit differently, this assignment here.
Of course you did. You took the dance a little bit different too. I know. That's a $20 bill. Diane, that's a $10 bill for taking the heat.
At the end of the day, it's really all about how you leave them feeling and leaving people wanting more.
Together, we are so better together.